Good evening, awesome people. It's awesome having you here today. Here in today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert your WhatsApp chat history into PDF or a Word file. It's very easy. A lot of us we do WhatsApp training, we hold classes on WhatsApp, and we also chat with clients on WhatsApp. So many of us we need to keep details. Most of us that are into WhatsApp training. For instance, we have a course we train on WhatsApp, and we want to convert those courses into PDF format. Many of us will have to go through the stress of copy and pasting. So in this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to do all that very easy within 2 minutes, and not even up to 2 minutes. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be taking you to my WhatsApp group. I have a WhatsApp group. I'll be taking you there. So I'll be doing that using my WhatsApp group. So follow me, then I'll open my WhatsApp. I have two WhatsApp. I have business and normal. So I'll open my business WhatsApp. Okay, this is my mini importation group. Okay, smart mini importation today. So click on it. So you can see on this page I host a lot of trainings, and so I also post some videos there. So what I want to do now, I want to save the chat history. This is how you do it. You click on the menu at the top right corner, and you click on it. You see this drop down. You go to the last drop down where you see more. You click on more. After clicking on more, you export chat. So when you click on export chat, it shows you include media. Okay, including media will increase the size of the chat export. So you can include media. Media means your voice record and also videos. That's what it's meant by include media. And without media, it means just only the chat alone. So I want to use without media, so it's going to be fast. You can use include media if you want to, but it's going to take a little time. So I'm going to click on without media. So initializing. This step is very easy. Those of us that want to convert our courses to ebook, it's a very easy step. So you can see the drop down here. Then you select Gmail, send to your Gmail. Okay, so yeah, you just type anything here. That's sent to. Just type anything here. Then you click on save. Click on save. Okay, it's going to automatically save. Then you minimize it. After minimizing it, you come to your Gmail. Come down to draft. Okay, come down to draft. You can see it here. WhatsApp chat with smart mini importation. You can see it here. Then you click on download. After the stuff is done downloading, then you already have it. You can see downloading file. Downloading. So I done downloading. So you want to open this, we can choose to open it on WPS or open it on Google Docs. Let me open it on WPS Office. So just once. So it's loading, just loading. You give it some time to load. You can see this is my chart, and this is my chart. So all I just need to do is just to edit these files here. You can see these are my charts from the beginning. You can see when I started the training. These are, let's see, So this is just how to, it's very easy thing. Just find time and just edit everything out. Just edit. You can't see any picture here, you can only see the write-up. But if I imported with media, you'll be able to see everything, every damn fucking thing on this training list. Both you meet the pictures and everything. So that's about this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click the red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. Do well to give this video a thumb up, and also leave in the comment box what you feel about this video. Thank you.